Khalid, what are you doing? Hoy, that's for Kuya, ha? Hoy. Mga toys yan ni Kuya, ha? Come here. Come here. Kuya finish shower na. Come here. Good morning, people. Good morning. Kagigising lang po namin. Kagigising lang po namin. Papunta po kami sa labas kasi magbila kami ng egg. Tapos ano pa ba? Magtingin kami ng ng mga swimwear kasi wait lang Ali, kasi on 16 of January next week ay birthday ni Sarah. Kami ay magsuswimming. So, walang mga swimwear itong mga bata. And ititingin ko si Khalid ng kanyang yung pang swimming ba na diaper. Kahit isang piraso lang. Kasi kapag mainit ang tubig, inshallah kami ay maglulublob ni Khalid. Hey, that's for Kuya, ha? Let's go outside. Oh, what's that? What's that? Itong batang ito, guys, parang gusto na niyang maglakad. Kasi, pero medyo natatakot pa rin siya. Ayan. Magko-coffee lang ako. Kasi kagigising lang namin. Si Kuya, ayan, nagbibihis. Kaliligo lang. Say good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Where you will go?
I don't know.
What you will buy today?
Like first thing.
The clothes for swimming, swimwear.
Why every day we go outside?
Because we have to. We need
We
to
have
buy.
money.
Oh, we don't have money. We just need to do something and we need to buy what we need.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And you, Khalid? What are you going to buy, Khalid? Diaper?
Diaper for swimming.
Diaper for swimming?
If Khalid wear his old diaper when he's swimming, the diaper gonna have water.
Yeah.
So how come he will?
Fix your bed. Mag-inom ako ng coffee and then bihis na kami kasi maganda maaga pa, wala pang masyadong araw. Ayan. Breakfast muna kami, guys. Nandito kami sa Baba Shawarma. Oh, meron na agad nabili si Ali. What's that? Show me. Sketchbook. Sketchbook. Ayan. Nagpa-copy kasi ako ng paper. May mga tinda doon ng mga stationaries. So, yeah. My wallet. Si Khalid andito. Khalid! Khalid! Mama! Hello! Lahat na ipinalaro. Kain muna kami ng breakfast. Hi! Hello! You're so cute! Come here, look at the camera. Good morning, people! Good morning! Ganda ng sombrero ni Khalid, oh. Umiibo yung tenga. Tit, tit, tit! Tit, tit, tit! Hello! Khalid! Khalid! Look at in the camera. Hello, people! Hello, people! Maaga pa po. Mag-8 pa lang. And alhamdulillah, yung residence ID ni Ali ay lumabas na. Actually, last week pa. Kaya lang, ngayon namin siya kukunin kasi yung friend ko is meron siyang appointment today. So, sabay na lang kami. And after nun, papunta kami ng Shopping Center Norte kasi bibili siya ng swimwear ni Sarah. Kahapon pala guys, hindi na ako nakapagpatuloy ng vlog kasi nagmamadali kami. Sobrang dilim ng langit kahapon. So, nagmamadali kaming umuwi. But, ayaw niya. You don't like it? It's cute, oh! It's cute, oh! It's cute, oh! Hello, hello, hello! So, yun. Pero nakabili ako ng swimwear ni Ali. Pinag-iisipan ko pa kung bibili kami ni Khalid kasi hindi pa naman ito masyadong magsuswimming. And ayoko siyang ibabad ng... Say good morning!
Good morning!
Ayoko siyang ibabad ng matagal sa tubig. So, siguro, magtatampisaw-tampisaw na lang kami sa gilid.
Oh, what the?
Ayan, tapos... Ewan ko, baka hindi na kami bumili. Wala kasi kaming damit na pang-ligo. Kasi hindi pa naman namin na-experience dito sa Brazil na mag-swimming. Ngayon pa lang, inshallah. So, yun. Si Ali pa lang yung binilhan ko and medyo malayo pa naman. May 1 week pa. So, mapag-isipan ko pa kung... Oh, what are you? Huh? What you're asking? Huh? Hello! Aalis po kami. Papasyal po si Khalid. So, yun nga, may 1 week pa naman para mag-isip kung bibili ako o hindi. Kasi, wala lang. Parang ayokong bumili kasi nga, hindi naman kami palagi nagsuswimming. So, ayun. And itong batang ito, siguro kung mapaibig man na magtampisaw sa tabi-tabi, edi short na lang siguro. Hindi naman ako maliligo. So, ayun. Ano lang kami, mag-order lang kami ng in-drive. And medyo diklom na naman ang panahon. Makaumulan na naman. Pero anyway, sakay naman kami sa car. Hindi naman kami maglalakad. So, yeah, we will go now. Don't remove it. You're so pogi. You're so cute. Don't remove it. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, kuya. Hello. What is your eyes?
Nothing. Give me Khalid.
No.
عشان هرمي opened.
Oh. We are already here in Shopping Center Norte. Nag-order lang kami ng drinks sa Starbucks and kakain na din kami ng lunch. Kasama ko na yung friend ko. Hello, people! Nakuha na ni Ali yung kanyang residence ID, alhamdulillah. So, meron na siyang residence ID. And then, ano sasabihin ko sa inyo? Magtitingin kami ng swimwear para sa anak ng friend ko. And, I'm not sure hanggang ngayon kung bibili ako o hindi para sa amin ni Khalid. Basta pag may nagustuhan ako, siguro. Pero, hindi naman kasi kami pala swimming. So, bahala na mamaya. Khalid! Mama! Hello! Hi, Sus! Hi, Sus! Hello, guys! Hello!
Auntie!
Auntie ka nung... Si Oli. Auntie ng auntie sa akin.
Guys!
We will change. This is your mom from now on.
Okay.
And Sarah is my daughter now.
No! No, wait. You're my mom, of course. Guys!
Forever. I will say you're mom forever.
Abella Caramello.
That feels like...
Frappuccino. Yung sa mga bata ay cookies and cream. O, diba? Nabilhan ko na yun ng panligo. Nakakita ng Minecraft dito. Ayan. Papalitan ko na lang yung sa bahay. It's okay na? That size? Small. Try the other one. What small you mean? Short? Like this?
This one is...
Okay, you try the other one, the other size. Is comfortable?
Yeah.
Or it's big?
Also a group.
Ah, okay. Nabilhan ko na, so papapalitan ko na lang yun nandun sa bahay. Siguro, ipapapalit ko ng kay Khalid naman. Okay, you wear na.
Auntie.
Kung nagustuhan niya yung Minecraft. Hoy! Your woman. Yala na. Change na, change. It's okay?
Yeah.
Okay, change na. Isa ay maligalig. Kailangan paltan yung hawak niya every 2 minutes. Kasi, itatapon yan. What are you doing, Mama? Huh? What are you doing, huh? Nayak na si baby. Oy, baby!